Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Okay, so we've got mushroom and tofu, coconut milk curry. It truly is amazing. Now, I'm not gonna go through the whole process of cooking and frying the tofu. I'm gonna show you a short little video of me doing it so you get an idea of it. This is vegan, it's vegetarian, it's healthy, it's wonderful, it's easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so tofu comes in different forms. If you're going to be frying it, you need like a hard or firm or extra firm, because some of it comes like really kind of quite liquidy. You don't want to be doing that. Take it out of the water. It usually comes in a packet of water. Drain it off, give it a little squeeze, cut it into any shape that you like, and then fry it in some oil. You can shallow or deep fry, about 3 or 4 minutes each side, nice and golden brown. So there's our tofu fried. You just saw the little process there. We've got some fresh chili. The amount is completely up to you. I've got some mushrooms here, white mushrooms, fresh. There's 250 grams there, or one of those kind of blue plastic punnet things, you know. And I've just cut mine in half, cut it smaller if you want. 400 ml of coconut milk, tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of onions, and then here we've got a teaspoon each of 5 powders. We've got turmeric, coriander, chili, cumin, and garam masala powder. Let's get to the cooker. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. It's really delicious. Skillet, frying pan, wok, whatever you're gonna need. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you can use anything you want. The heat's on. We're gonna drop in the teaspoon of cumin seeds and black mustard seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. Let it infuse the oil. Give it a nice little taste. If you want, you can get some green cardamom in here, green cardamom pods, or a bit of cinnamon. You know, it's up to you. There's hundreds of variants, combinations of this process. I'm just going with these 2. We're now going to drop in our onion, 1 cup of onion. Above medium heat, just 3 minutes. Keep it moving, then we can move on. Fantastic. 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. It's a 50-50 mix of the 2. Our fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Our mushrooms. Keep it moving, 4 minutes. Okay, let's get our fried tofu in there. Salt to taste. Whoops, just lost the mushroom there. An escapee. Okay, the powders, let's take one more look. 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, coriander, chili, garam masala, cumin, in it all goes. The coconut milk. Okay, going to turn it down now to medium. Another 4 minutes, job done. That is absolutely divine. Check that for salt, gonna be fine for me. Here we go, a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in the mix. Let me get that on a plate. You should be feeling proud of yourself. Super easy and really, really delicious. And there she blows, really, really good, nice and easy, lovely with some rice or just by itself if you want, or with some roti or chapati or something. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well in these times. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.